Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a self-propelled kayak with only a piece of wood and 2 clamps. So the first thing you want to do is put the piece of wood across the kayak behind the seat, and then take the 2 clamps and fasten them, use them to fasten the piece of wood to the kayak. Now that the piece of wood is secure, you take your motor, here's my motor, and then you want to fasten it to one of the sides of the kayak. Now that that is in place, take the battery and place it inside the kayak between your legs. Now, connect the battery to the motor. And there you go. You're all ready to sail. As you can see with the motor there, thank you for watching my channel.